for various milk requirements and for various taste buds. Milky Mist offers a variety of product lines. Being a 100% product-oriented company, we provide your daily dose of nutrition. Let's have a look into where it all began. Paneer. At Milky Mist, quality and safety are the two big pillars that hold the brand in place. We ensure that the food handlers follow the safety and hygiene protocol at various points of the facility. The raw milk from the farmer community is collected and stored at less than 4 degrees Celsius, after which it proceeds to the sampling and standardization unit. The milk is then pasteurized and allowed to coagulate. The whey is drained, which heads to the raw whey storage tank. Meanwhile, the coagulant mass is transferred to trays, which crosses the conveyor belt and reaches the pressing machine. The blocks of paneer are then demolded, cooled, and shifted to a conveyor belt. The robotic arms fragment the blocks into slices, which are further diced. With imported robotic lines, safety and finest quality are ensured. Milky Mist Paneer plant is one of its kind in the country, with complete automation, integrated sensors with articulating arm robots for processing, fragmenting and packaging. Arduous tasks are performed in a much easier and simpler way. Having developed a unique, transparent and robust milk procurement system to procure the best quality raw milk from the best available sources. In the lab, the product samples are tested for various parameters to ensure that every bite you take is safe and of supreme quality. The chunks of paneer are then vacuum packed and stored at 4 degrees Celsius, after which they head to the dispatch and the retail stores and finally reach your bowls, giving you an appetizing, flavorful experience. Milky Mist is now spanning across the nation and spreading its wings worldwide.